Hello everyone. Now that Q1 is over, I want to share my observations. First of all, as a reminder, I am very bullish on natural gas in the long term, right? So if we look at the monthly chart, so we have this huge bullish bat, right? Going all the way back to 2002 and 2005 high, right? It's a huge structure on the monthly. So I'm very bullish on natural gas in the long term. Also, this one, right? If we look at the weekly, we also have this huge bullish bat, right? X, A, B, C, D on weekly as well. So that is why I'm very bullish on natural gas in the long term. However, if we look at this daily, we have bearish butterfly here, right? X, A, B, C, D. So short term, I'm bearish, right? So that is my base scenario. But I always want to see follow through, right? To confirm my theory. So let's look at it. Natural gas. Okay, let me clean a little bit. Natural gas tested so this is March, this is February, right? So let me make it bigger. So last month, it tested February high, 3834, and then tested successfully, right? Bounced back. Similarly, it tested last quarter's high, 3633, and then successfully, right? Bounced back. So because it made a higher high, if you look at the quarterly, not this one, but generally higher highs and higher lows, right? Even this one made higher lows, right? July and last quarter, previous quarter, Q4 also made higher highs and higher low, and last quarter Q1 also made higher highs and higher lows, right? So this is a definition of uptrend, right? So we are still in uptrend in quarterly, and also in monthly as well, right? So last month made higher highs than February and higher lows than February. So we are still in uptrend, right? So yeah, but so we if we look at closely weekly, right? So March 24th was the low, right? And then we made a higher highs and higher lows so far, right? But if it were really a bounce back or rally, we need to close higher than this one, right? The previous high of 4259, but this one couldn't go above it, right? It's 4253, right? So this week it's not done yet, so there's still chance it may go above this one. So that's what I mean by follow through, right? If this bounce or rally is true, it's real, it must go higher than this high. So 4259. So that's what I'm watching now, right? So if it goes, if this week it goes above 4259, then there's a chance it continue go up, right? By the definition, higher highs and higher low continue go up and challenge 49ish or $5. However, if conversely, if last week's low, which is at 3732, which happens to be the same as last month's low, right? Here, 3732, right? So if this failed, if this doesn't hold, then it's rolling over, right? So rolling over perhaps 2 to 3 months, right? So that's how important it is, how this week ends, right? So you may have figured out, even though I have my own opinion on the direction of the market, meaning long-term bullish, short-term bearish, I want to see follow through to confirm my theory, right? So market always gives signal before turning. I got buy signal first. Oh, so I removed it. So yeah, let me withdraw. X, A, B, C, D. Oh, so not this one. Right? It's harmonic like X, A, B, C, D. So it, in fact, it reached the B point, a little bit exceeded, but it couldn't go above it, right? So I want to see how this pattern follows through, okay? But if it doesn't follow through, then based on my initial observation, it may go down for the next 2 to 3 months, right? Again, I'm very bullish on natural gas in the long term, based on huge bullish bet, both weekly and monthly and weekly. And in my opinion, we may even get the greatest bull market in natural gas in history, meaning we may exceed 2005 high. This year is third year from 2022 high. Usually bear market lasts 2 to 3 years. So there's a good chance February 2024 low here, 1.522 may hold, and natural gas go up strongly starting this year, right? So we are on the cusp of the bull market in natural gas, even if we get 3 months pullback until June. So that's it for now. Okay, be careful out there. I will update you after making my next move. Okay, cheers.